welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the most powerful full moon of the year, that is also called as Kartik Purnima. During this time, the energies are so high. Whatever the wishes you are going to make related to the love, relationship, marriage, finances and career will be accepted, and you will be able to overcome the challenges which you are facing in your life. So in this video, I'm going to discuss in brief what all remedies and rituals you should do to overcome the challenges in your life. Along with that, this is a good day to do remedies to align your 9 planets. So I'm going to help you out what all remedies you should do on this day to align your 9 planets. If you have subscribed my channel, then thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So full moon, first, the best thing that you can do on the full moon on this day is that you should do fasting on the full moon. If you are doing fasting on the full moon, it will help you out to overcome the challenges like related to the mental health, love, relationship, marriage problem, as well as you are facing the problem in the finances and the career. What is the right way of doing fasting on this day? You can do fast on this day on fruits and water. So you can have coconut water, you can have simple water, you can have fruit juices on this day. After the moon is in the sky, you have to offer water to the moon, add white flour in it and light up a lamp near in your terrace or in the balcony. After that, you can eat the normal food, but don't eat non-veg or garlic or onion on this day. And you can break your fast, and afterward you can start doing the rituals. If you are facing finances related problem, then this is a good day to do remedies to overcome the challenges. If your money is stuck somewhere, you have a loans and debts on you, you are into a career, you are not getting expansion in your career, or you are not promoted in your career, or you are stuck in the office politics. If you are into a business, you are not getting expansion of the business, your money is stuck somewhere, or you are facing the financial crisis, then this is the best day to do the remedies. What do you have to do on this day? You have to wake up early in the morning before the sunrise, offer water to the sun on this day. You have to wear the white color clothes and visit to a nearby Shiva temple. Offer water to Shiva, offer milk to Shiva. Along with that, try to donate sugar, rice and wheat in any nearby Shiva temple. If you don't have a Shiva temple nearby you, then you can donate the same to needy also on this day. Then what you have to do, you have to take a water in the utensil or Ganga Jal in the utensil and add a pinch of turmeric in it and sprinkle the same water in the corners of your house, outside the main gate, as well as if you have an office or shop, you can sprinkle this water outside your shop as well as office also. It will help you out to invite more abundance in your life. Once the moon is in the sky, you have to offer water to moon, add white flour in it, light up a lamp in your balcony or in your terrace on this day and do the meditation. Meditation link has already been shared in the description. Once you are done with the meditation, then you have to take a notebook, a blue color pen, start writing down all the fears and all the problems of your life related to the finances. Once you are done with the writing, then you have to read it loudly, all the problems that you are facing related to the finances, and you have to burn the same in the candle. When you are burning in the candle, you have to take a deep breath in, hold your breathing and then burn it with the intention that you are surrendering yourself to Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu. So once you are done with this process, you have to go out, see towards the sky, see towards the moon, open both your arms and say that positive affirmation to the moon. Now I am open and ready to receive my highest and the greatest goods from the universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And pray for your finances. With the blessings of Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva, you will be able to overcome the challenges of your life related to the finances. If you are facing health related problem, then what you have to do on this day, you have to wake up early in the morning, offer water to the sun. After that, you have to offer water to Shiva. Along with that, you have to offer milk to Shiva on this day. And then you have to take one utensil, add milk in that utensil and add one fish made up of silver or gold. Any metal you can take and offer the same to Lord Shiva and pray for your health. With the blessings of Lord Shiva any type of health related problem you are facing in the life, you will be able to overcome it, and donate the utensil, milk and fish to that temple only. It will help you a lot to overcome the health related problem related to the marriage or problem in your love relationship. Then also this is a very good day to do the remedies on this day. What you have to do, you have to wear the white color clothes, add the rose water or the Ganga Jal in the bathing water. Along with this, you have to do the fasting. How to do the fasting has already been explained in the video. Along with this, after the moon is in the sky, you have to offer water to the moon, add white flour in it and light up a lamp in front of the moon in your balcony or in your terrace. Along with this, on this day, you should donate bananas to the needy as per your age. You should donate curd, sugar, rice, as well as, if possible, then try to donate some yellow color clothes to a nearby temple, or you can donate the same to the needy. It will help you to overcome the challenges that you are facing in your love relationship. Between 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. in the night, first you have to chant Namah Shivaya for 11 minutes. Second, you have to chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeva for 11 minutes. And third, you have to listen to Vishnu Sahasranam. It will help you to overcome the problem that you face in your love relationship and the marriage. Best day to do money related ritual. The link has already been shared in the description how to do this ritual. And this is a best day to do remedies, rituals, do fasting, to overcome any type of challenges in your life, and to align your 9 planets. You should do donations related to the planets. If Mangal is creating the problem in your life, in that case you should donate masoor ki dal on this day. If moon is creating the problem in your life, then you have to donate milk and sugar on this day. If Mercury is creating the problem in your life, then you have to donate green vegetables on this day. If Jupiter is creating the problem in your life, then you have to donate bananas on this day. If Venus is a problem of your life, then you should donate curd or rose ether on this day. If Rahu and Ketu is creating the problem in your life, then you have to donate tea to a nearby temple or the needy on this day. If Sun is a problem in your life, then you should donate jaggery on this day. Follow these small tips in your life, and it is going to help you out to make a great changes in your life. Thank you and have a great day ahead.